Hey guys, I just kind of wanted to show you just a quick little video of how to lay out your template box for doing your sketchbook TikTok. You are going to need a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you know, you can use, like, what I would do is maybe fold a sheet of paper and make it straight as possible, and you can be able to use it as a ruler. You will need pencil, you know, markers and all that kind of stuff, eraser, sharpener, all that jazz. But since we're just setting up the template, I am actually going to just use a black marker so y'all can be able to see on the video of how to do it. So right now, I'm going to create one rectangular box and then four smaller square boxes. So my sketchbook, I believe, is like a 9x12. It depends on the size of your sketchbook. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see here how much down I want to go. So I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna do it to the three. I'll do it to the you can do it between the 3-inch mark, or if you want to do the 4-inch mark, I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to probably do that one just in pencil for anyone that wants to do it up to that mark. I'm using my blending stuff because I can't find my pencil. So when you're doing that, you want to make sure you're being straight as possible, because this is going to be your title box right here. So I got my one box, and I'm going to just go ahead and label it the title, which you will see in the pictures on Google Classroom. Just labeling that. And then next, since this is 9 inches from here, I'm going to make sure I'm at the mid mark of 4.5. So then you have that, and then here we can make that into, let's call it, I did 3, so 3 from 12, so we'll make it up to 4 inches here. Actually, no, I'm not going to make it 4 inches. I'm going to make it just a little bit more, like maybe 4.5 inches, depending on how much information you're putting in there. Okay. And there you have it. These are your template boxes. This is going to be where you have the title. You'll have your artwork, full value sketched of either your eye, nose, ears, mouth, etc. Then you have your step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. And you will want to label it for each box. And that is how you will have your template. So I'm going to just zoom in here for y'all to take a look. Right. And that is about it. This is what can help you set up everything. The only one that will be different, but we'll worry about that next week, that is the ears. The ear is going to have 6, no, it's going to have, it's going to have a few more boxes in here up to the step 6. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.